Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. This is Tony and today I'm going to do an unboxing and first impressions of the 2-year-old Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. And in case you're wondering, man, are you not a little bit too late to the game? I'm just about on time, guys, because this phone has just been discounted to about 210 pounds everywhere in the UK. I got my unit from Cloth Technologies for just 170, but I was lucky because the quantities were limited. So let me flip the box over here and see the specifications. We're dealing with Snapdragon 845 over here. 6-inch LCD Full HD notchless screen. I've got the base version with just 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. Mono speaker. In terms of cameras, we've got a dual camera at the back, 12 megapixel normal one and 12 megapixel telephoto. At the front, unfortunately, we have only a 5 megapixel unit, which is not going to be very good. And in terms of battery, 3400 milliamp hours, if I'm not wrong, guys. So pretty much that is it. I'm gonna compare it with a few competitive devices in a sec, but first let me take this baby out of the box and let me tell you why I got this phone now. I was in holiday in Bulgaria probably a few years ago and I saw this phone in store. Can you imagine? In Bulgaria they actually have the phones in store rather than just dummies as it is over here in the UK. So I checked this phone out and I was super impressed by the unibody design, especially the white one. Some greetings, you're truly explorer, blah blah blah. I don't care, man. Check this out. I was super impressed by the white ceramic unibody design. Charger, UK one, cable, and pretty much that is it, guys. Let me take this baby out of the box. Oh yeah, what else do we have? Okay, we've got some other goodies over here. Let me see what we're dealing with. Any hidden compartments? Let me check this out. No, man, companies should start making hidden compartments, man. I mean, that's what I'm always looking for. Okay, you've got the SIM pin ejection tool, the dongle, and a case. Yes, a case. And let me see. Check this out, guys. This case is, check this out, Mi Mix designed by Xiaomi. This case is actually quite nice. It's made of plastic and it's not the transparent cheap case that you always get with other phones, and some additional instruction manuals, warranties and whatnot. So let's see what we are dealing with over here, guys. Oh man, NFC at the back, I forgot to mention, of course. Oh yes, the old school, you know, fingerprint reader at the back over here. Sticker on the camera. I'm going to remove that as well. And check this out, guys. This glass sandwich, I absolutely love it, man. It feels so nice, and because it's ceramic, it's a little bit harder to scratch and harder to drop, but man, this phone still feels amazing, guys. All right, check this out. Absolutely beautiful phone. You can see this, metal frame over here, the power button, the volume rocker over here. At the top, one mic, on the left hand side, the SIM tray, and at the bottom, the single speaker and the USB Type-C and another mic. But man, it feels so nice in the hand, guys. I know a lot of people say, take your yours always say, you know, it feels nice in the hand. Man, that's one of the most important things when buying a phone, to actually feel nice. So I'm gonna boot this baby up, but man, the build quality of this phone is unmatched, guys. And probably the battery is dead. Oh no. Anyway, I'm gonna have to charge this baby up. But man, let me slap the case and see what we're dealing with over here, guys. Okay, probably on this side like that. Actually, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna, oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna slide it like, how do I put this case? Finally. Okay, now I've got the case, and to be honest with you, I love it with the case as well, guys. It feels like the phone comes like that, to be honest with you, and eliminates the camera bump over here. But check this out, guys. This is absolutely amazing. Let me compare it with a few other phones The main competitor of this phone is, yes, you guessed it, or you didn't, the Smartisan R1. But let me remove this case to see how it is in flash compared to the Smartisan. Smartisan came a few months later than the Xiaomi, but man, they definitely copied the design, to be honest with you. But yeah, I love both phones. My review of the Smartisan is coming down real soon. It's a little bit more expensive, this one, and it's hard to find, but I might make a comparison video, why not? For the same amount of money, the newest contender, the Lenovo Z5 Pro GT. Yes, a little bit bigger than this one. What else can you get for this amount of money, guys? You can get the Oppo Reno Z. It's again discounted to just £200 at the moment. It is a little bit bigger, but the screen is way bigger and it's AMOLED as well, guys. And the last thing, just for, you know, laughs and giggles, compared to the amazing, in brackets, in quotes, or whatever you like to call it, the Pixel 4 XL. Noticeably smaller than the Pixel 4 XL, but essentially the same gigage as this one, which costs like 5 times more probably. So yeah, I'm gonna just leave the Pixel aside because I really don't like this phone, guys. A video roasting video coming real soon. But yeah, pretty much that is it, guys. The competition is really you know, for these two phones, but man, I love them both too much. They're not, you know, top-notch brilliant phones, but for what they are, for about £200, man, I mean, man, this aluminum frame over here is really nice, guys. I mean, the build quality is absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna try to find some sort of a cheap Amazon link just to put something in the description. But yeah, if you got £200, if you're looking for a new phone, Mi Mix 2S is the name of the game, guys. It got just updated to Android 10, I believe, Xiaomi whatever version 10 or 11 or whatever it is. So in terms of updates, you're not left behind as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you own any of those phones over here you see on this table, and what is your experience. Or if you have the Mi Mix 2S, let me know how, you know, how it went and how it aged, if at all. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.